Today we're crocheting a carnation flower. It can also be taken apart and used as a coaster. Both beautiful and practical. I'm using Sheepy's Little Darling No to yarn. Hold the yarn in your left hand and make a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and chain 2. Yarn over, insert into the ring and pull up a loop. Complete a double crochet. Chain 1. That completes one group. Continue with the next group, 1 double crochet, then chain 1. The second group is finished. Repeat the same method to make 12 groups. After completing 12 groups, tighten the magic ring. Slip stitch into the first double crochet. Pull up the yarn and fasten off. Now let's crochet round 2. Insert the hook into any chain space. Pull through the orange yarn. Start with chain 2. Work another double crochet in the same space. The chain 2 counts as a double crochet. So you have 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1 and move to the next group. Insert into the next space and increase with double crochets. Work 2 double crochets in the same space. After the 2 double crochets, chain 1. The second group is complete. Yarn over and insert into the next space. Work 2 double crochets and chain 1. Repeat to make 12 groups. Once the round is finished, slip stitch into the second chain. Pull up the yarn and fasten off. For round 3, crochet into the chain spaces again. Pull up the yarn and chain 2 first. Then yarn over. Work 3 double crochets into this space. The chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. So make 3 double crochets in the same space. After finishing the 3 double crochets, chain 2. That completes one group. Continue with the next group, also working 3 double crochets. After the 3 double crochets, chain 2. The second group is done. Repeat the same method to make 12 groups. After completing round 3 with 12 groups, slip stitch into the second chain. Pull up the yarn and fasten off. For round 4, insert the hook into this large space first. Pull through the green yarn. Chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. Insert into the same space and work another double crochet. Next, chain 2. That completes one group. For the next group, insert into the same large space. Work 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. Return to the same space and crochet another double crochet. Chain 2 again. Now the second group is finished. Continue this method around the round. 1 double crochet, chain 2. Then another double crochet. Chain 2. And repeat all the way around. There should be 12 groups in this round. Slip stitch into the third chain to finish. Pull up the yarn and fasten off. For round 5, first insert the hook into the space between the 2 double crochets. Pull through the purple yarn. Chain 2. Then yarn over and work 6 double crochets in the same space. Make 6 double crochets in that space. After finishing the 6 double crochets, work a single crochet into the large space. That completes one group. Continue to the next group. Work 6 double crochets in the space between the double crochets. After the 6 double crochets, move to the adjacent large space and crochet 1 single crochet. Now the second group is complete. Repeat this method around the round. There will be 12 groups. When finished, insert into the first double crochet. Pull up the purple yarn and slip stitch, tightening the yarn at the back. Then chain 1. Work a single crochet into the slip stitch. After the single crochet, chain 3. That completes one group. Insert into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 3. And the second group is finished. Repeat this method all the way around. Finish with the last single crochet and chain 3 to complete the round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1 and pull up the yarn. Cut the excess yarn and weave in the ends. Fold it in half and roll it up. Once rolled, it becomes a beautiful carnation. Give it a try if you like it.